Now in this example, we'll see why it's important to write down the mnemonic and follow it. The right angle is here, which means the hypotenuse is over here. And note, we're trying to find the hypotenuse. The reference angle is here. This side over here is the opposite. So, car, toa. We have opposite and hypotenuse, which means we're using the sign. Remember, the order is important. The sine of the angle is the length of the opposite divided by the length of the hypotenuse. So the sine of 25 degrees is equal to 18 divided by x. So the x is actually in the denominator this time. So the answer is not just going to be 18 times sine 25. It's a common mistake that students make. They just think it's always going to be that. But that's not true. And if you try 18 times sine 25, you'll find the answer is less than 18, but you know that the hypotenuse is the longest side. So the question is, how do we sort that out? So sine 25 is 18 divided by x. If you multiply both sides of this by x, you get x sine 25 degrees is equal to 18. We want x on its own, so let's divide by sine 25. Remember, sine 25 is just a number. And so we get x is 18 divided by sine 25. Now, if you look here and here, you'll see that all that's happened is the x and sine 25 have swapped places. So once you appreciate that, in this situation, you could just swap those and get that x is 18 over sine 25 degrees. And then calculate. So we've got 18 divided by the sine of 25, and I'll call that 42.6 centimeters, correct to one decimal place. Always remember, follow the rounding that your question asks for.